program to implement binary tree in the C language. Hash include stdio.h includes the standard input-output library, which is necessary for using functions like printf and scanf. Hash include stdlib.h includes the standard library for memory allocation functions like malloc and exit. Let's define a structure for a tree node. Here, this line defines a structure named node to represent a node in the binary tree. Int data holds the integer value of the node. Struct node left is the pointer to the left child node. This is the pointer to the right child node. Let's write a function to create a new tree node. This is the function to create a new node with the given data. This line allocates memory for a new node and casts the pointer to the node. It sets the data field to the new node. It initializes the left and right child node pointers to null, indicating no children. This returns the pointer to the newly created node. Function to insert a node in the binary tree. This is the function to insert a new node into the binary tree. It checks if the current position in the tree is empty, that is, no node. Then it creates a new node with the given data and returns it. It compares the data with the current node's data to determine where to insert the new node. This line recursively inserts the data into the left subtree if the data is less than the current node's data. Else it handles the case where the data is greater than or equal to the current node's data. And this line recursively inserts the data into the right subtree. This returns the root of the subtree after insertion. Function to perform in-order traversal of the binary tree. This function to perform an in-order traversal of the binary tree, which visits the node in the ascending order. This checks if the current node is not null. It recursively traverses the left subtree and prints the data of the current node. This recursively traverses the right subtree. Now we will write the main function where program execution begins. This initializes the root of the binary tree to null. This declares variable for user choice and data input. This is infinite loop to continuously prompt the user for operations. This displays a menu of operation. This prompts the user to enter their choice. This line reads the user choice. This executes the different actions based on the user's choice. Case 1 inserts a node into the tree. This line prompts the user to enter the data. This line reads the data to be inserted. This inserts the data into the binary tree. Case 2 performs the in-order traversal of the tree, where this displays the traversal result. And this line calls the function to print the nodes in the in-order. Case 3 exits the program. This line terminates the program with a status of 0, that is success. Default handles invalid choices. Displays an error message for invalid input. Return 0 from main indicating successful execution. Output of the program will be like this: binary tree operations which prompts the user to enter the choice. As you can see, there are the three options: insert node, in order traversal and exit. Now we will enter 1. Enter data to insert 10. Again it will prompt user to enter the choice. Now again we are going to enter 1 and enter the data to insert 5. We will repeat the insertion with 15. Now enter choice 2. The in-order traversal is 5, 10, 15. These are the values that are inserted and it is showing in the in-order traversal.